Good morning, students. Students, in my today's video lesson, I am going to teach you how to form passive voice from simple past tense. Hope you understood how to form passive voice from simple present tense, what I taught you in my previous video. So today move forward with the formation of simple past tense, how to make passive from simple past tense. So here is the formation. First of all, object, then was verb, then third form of the verb, then by, then subject. Here first example is we played football. Students, as I taught you how to recognize an object, so here you can ask a question, what did we play? Answer is football. So it is an object, it will become subject. Football was played by me. Football is in singular number, so you have to use was. Then third form of the verb, then by, then object of the subject. Here be. Object of be is us. Next is they ate mangoes. Students, mangoes is in plural number, so you have to use were with mangoes. Then third form of the verb, then by, then object of the subject them. As I taught you, in passive, object becomes subject and subject becomes object. And you have to use was with third form with singular number and were with third form with plural number. So it is clear to you, I think. So move to the next. Here one more sentence is of negative sentence of simple past. I did not play hockey. Students, for did not we will use was not. Hockey was not played by me. Hockey is in singular number, so was. Next is an interrogative sentence. Who broke the jug? Students, for who we will use by whom, then was. For the subject, that is in singular number, then third form of the verb. Students, don't be confused that you have to convert who into object, because who will not be changed into any object. You have to write this word by whom, for who in the beginning of the sentence, then the verb, then the subject, and then third form of the verb and question mark. Students, passive voice for simple future, object, then will, shall be, then third form of the verb, then by, then subject. With we use we and I, as I told you, we use shall. So here this is a sentence from simple future, we shall play football. So passive of this sentence will be football will be played by us. Students, we use will be, shall be according to the subject, then third form of the verb. You have to use third form always with all the sentences in passive with different verbs according to the subject and tense. Next is they will eat mangoes. Here mangoes is subject, so we use be with will and shall. Mangoes will be eaten by them. It will object of they. So mangoes will be. Students, in simple future, whether subject is singular or in plural, you have to use will be with third form, will be or shall be according to the subject with the third form. There is no problem. Next is he will not play hockey. So for such type of sentences, you have to use not between will be. Hockey will not be played by him. Another sentence is an interrogative. Will you sell this house? So formation of the sentence is for passive. Will this house be sold by you? First of all will, then the subject, then be. Between will, be, you have to keep the subject, then third form the verb, then by, then you. Students, you will not be changed. Object of you will be you. There will be no change in you. I think you understood. If you have any confusion, just watch the video again and you will understand everything.